going on, guys? Welcome to another Spool meetup. So today, I know you would have seen the thumbnail for this and thought, oh what, another Mark 5 Golf? Come on man, sort it out. But anyway, in this car's defense and in the defense of the Mark 5s, I've got to say this is the most powerful Mark 5 we've had on the channel, and it's an Edition 30, so there's a big difference right away. But I'm not going to go into all the differences between the Edition 30 and the normal GTI. If you want to know about that, Google is a good place to learn. But I've got to say respect to Ricky for bringing the car to the channel. Respect, my man. And this is the third car you've had on the channel now, isn't it? So yeah, man, it's all good. Let's just relax for a second. So Rick, tell me about the car, man. This Edition 30, yeah?
Yeah.
Engine wise, what have you done to it? So performance wise, what's going on?
Still on stock engine.
Stock engine, yeah? Was there a CDL block in these ones, yeah?
No, BYD.
BYD block, yeah? Is that standard in this Mark 5? Or?
Yeah, standard on all Mark 5s. Yeah.
Standard on all Mark
5 Edition 30 is BYD.
Right, okay. And okay then, so what have you done to the car? I mean, like, so turbo wise, what turbo you got running on there?
I'm running a LOBA LO4XX turbo. I had previously had a TT420 on there before, running 420, but I've always loved the LOBA turbo because I had it in my previous car before.
Yeah.
So I decided to stick with it.
Okay. So how do you find the turbo itself?
The daddy of hybrids.
Daddy of hybrids.
Daddy of hybrids. Everybody knows that.
Okay, so I didn't know LOBA actually done turbos. I know they do like high pressure fuel pumps, don't they?
Yeah.
And the low pressure. Do they do low pressure ones as well? Or is it just the high pressure?
High pressure.
Just the high pressure one. Okay then. So yeah. So fueling wise, what's going on with the car?
It's got a high pressure fuel pump in it.
Yeah.
Running a low pressure in-tank fuel pump.
Yeah.
Running the 165 fuel bar.
Okay.
And also, obviously, I'm running the 76 mil Meth on it, so it's a bigger Meth, so not the standard one.
Yeah.
So, and also running the RS3 Injectors as well.
Okay.
The S3 Injectors are pretty good, but they kind of run out of puff, so it gives you a lot more headroom with the RS3 Injectors, and also with the 76 mil Meth as well. It works perfect together.
Okay. Have you got PVC delete and all that kind of stuff?
No, I'm still running standard PCV.
PCV, that's it. Yeah.
Looking to go catch can very soon.
Yeah. Would you have to have a twin catch can setup on these, or is it just like a single catch can setup?
It's a single catch can on these.
Okay.
Basically, you can get them from Ford Motorsports. Ford Motorsports do a decent one, and also I can't remember, it's Relentless or something else. Somebody else that does a lot of them. A lot of the Mark 7 R guys run the catch can on when they go to 500, so it's pretty good. Okay.
Yeah, man. So what else is going on engine wise? Obviously you got the Meth. I'm
running Meth.
Yeah.
At the moment, I haven't really used it yet, so I'm not really sure. So today's the first time we're actually going to be using the Meth with it.
Nice.
So
what, left there?
Yeah.
Oh, that clutch is right there, isn't it?
Yeah. I am changing it soon. Yeah.
Where we Meth? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay. Hang on. Before we talk about Meth, let's just give us a little blast. Yeah, man. It definitely don't hang about, does it? Shit. Yeah. Anyway, so back to the Meth. What was I saying about the Meth? I totally forgot. So you're running meth on it, and we haven't got it. Well, we've got it plumbed in, but we haven't got any in the tank yet.
No, not yet. So today's the first day.
So is it? Are you got it running progressive, or is it just going to be coming straight in as soon as you put your foot down?
I always known to run it progressive. Most people say to run it progressive because it just comes in when you're at a higher boost. So that's when you kind of need to keep the temp down when you're at higher boost. So that's kind of the best. I'm running nearly 1.8 bar boost. So
okay, and what does that equate to in horsepower? How much horsepower are you running?
I'm running 450 at the moment, 450 BHP.
450 without the meth?
Yeah.
So you're going to get about another 20, 30 probably with the meth running,
it depends really. Usually you would get about another 10, 15 with the meth.
Another 10, 15.
I'm running 410 foot of torque. At the moment, the car is running a stop block, so it's not actually being pushed. It's actually just running safe until I decide if I really want to put the rods and pistons in it. Then it can actually be. There's a lot more left to come out of it.
Yeah. Okay. So how long have you had the car?
Coming up to a year now.
About a year now, yeah.
Oh no, less than that actually. About a year. About a year now. Coming up to a year, maybe a year. Just under a year, about 9 months. Yeah.
Okay. How much torque do you say you're running? 410?
410 foot of torque.
Yeah. It's nice, man. And I've got to say, like, I know I've told you about this before. I don't like the interior, at least. The tartan seats, innit? But for some reason or other, it bugs me, man. I don't know what the seats themselves, they're alright. But it's just this tartan stuff, man. It's just, I don't know.
You know what? It's better than leather. You know what it is.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Is there still a lot of Edition 30s running or not?
Yeah, there's loads.
There's loads
still running them.
Yeah.
A lot of people are still sticking to stage 2.
Right here, yeah.
Yeah, go back around them. Go back down there. A lot of people still sticking to stage 2, and a lot of people's running the TT 420s on theirs at the moment. I'm pretty much the first to ever on the stock engine to run 450 in a standard block.
Okay. So we've got a quafe diff?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Felt it putting me back in there. Yeah. Do you know what? I feel that diff working.
Yeah, it works.
It works good. We need some more roundabouts.
Diff is brilliant. I love the diff.
Well, that was good, man.
The difference between this, it actually, to be honest, a lot of people have been in the car with me and they're like so shocked that it doesn't spin up that much. Nicky Artek mapped it.
It's mapped by Artek?
Yeah, mapped by Artek.
Yeah, okay. He seems to be the man for the VAG platform, really, doesn't he?
Yeah, he knows what he's doing. He actually loves his car. He said it's like a stage 2 plus on steroids, really. So.
Yeah. Okay, so you're running a quafe diff. Suspension wise, what are you?
I'm running a Relentless coilovers.
Relentless coilovers, yeah.
Relentless coilovers. Yeah, it's decent.
Are they fully adjustable?
Yeah. They
are, yeah. Okay.
Had it on springs before. It was like a boat. Put a Relentless coilover. It completely changed the car. Really good for what the price are. They're decent for the price. Yeah, a lot of people's running the Relentless at the moment, to be honest.
Okay. Yeah, they're quite a good price actually, aren't they? Yeah. Exhaust system. What's going on with the exhaust, man? Because I'm getting some pops and bangs out there. That I can hear is the recirc, is it?
No, it's just a standard DV on it. So.
A standard dump valve, is it?
Yeah, standard.
Is it popping and banging, or is it just my ears?
It's a power valve. It's a WRC power valve.
Ah, right, okay.
So I've gone for the it's a power valve. So basically, it's quiet when you drive it, like on motorways. It's just like driving a normal car.
Yeah.
And when you open it up, it just sounds amazing.
Yeah.
And it's a WRC one as well, so it hasn't got a center section on there, so you get a lot more like pops and bangs in it.
Okay. So is it a 3-inch system all the way through?
Yeah, 3-inch. BCS all the way through.
Okay.
Look, I'm going to put it on track this year. I'm going for you.
Yeah, you've got it, man. Even that little blip there, the cornering seems spot on, man.
Yeah, the car's set up for the way it's mapped for track.
Yeah.
It's just the way it puts the power down compared to.
I gotta say, because when I drove this before, when you gave me the car to drive, I'd done that little in town. Yeah, it felt quite aggressive actually. But now I'm driving it, and we've got a nice stretch of road and all that. It feels more progressive than aggressive. If you get what I'm saying, when it's coming in, it's.
Nah, it's aggressive. It just depends how you drive it.
Oh, okay. So I'm driving it like a pussy, really.
You're driving it tame on the movement. It's aggressive. Feel it now?
Yeah. It's quick, man. I can't deny it. As much as I'd love to deny it, it is quick, Rick. Yeah. I nearly bought one of these myself as well, you know. You know, when I was in a period of when I lost the Honda, I was in that period of looking for a car. The Edition 30 was one that I was looking for purely because it had the KO4 set up already. Yeah. So just a simple remap and a few mods, and you're up to 370 on the KO4 anyway, aren't you? Yeah. But the one thing why I didn't end up buying one was because
the seats.
Every one that I found in manual for some reason had the tartan seats.
Just change the seats.
And the others that were all DSG, and I'm a bit of an old school driver. I've said this in many videos before. I like manual.
I've had a DSG. I've had a DSG one of these. I didn't.
Didn't really like it, no?
It was alright, but it just didn't get that. You didn't get that. Like I know a lot of people say DSG. Yeah, you're quick if you're racing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, but you don't get that interactive. You don't feel the boost.
Exactly.
You don't feel that boost when that boost. When this, like, what I love about this is like, especially when I'm running the power valve, like the WH power valve exhaust system is kind of like it brings the boost in. So when you like go through gears and everything, the boost comes in and kicks in again and just kicks you in the ass. You're like, whoa, and then you're like, whew. And then you know, with the DSG, I found it was like, whoa, and it's always in a, it doesn't, unless you run a dual clutch transmission, I don't think DSG is a bit boring. Yeah,
and it takes away. So I'm pretty much like you. I'm an old school driver. I feel it takes away your interaction with the car. I like to have a lot going on. I've got to change gear. I've got to do heel and toe. Or maybe I have to do a left foot brake. But you can't do none of that with GSD. It's just stop and go.
Yeah, this is like it's obviously at the moment we're like quite hot. It's quite hot temperature, but like if it's cooler night, this car is absolutely insane. Yeah. To be honest, I know people may say laugh and everything. I'm a little bit scared of it sometimes. I hardly ever drive it without traction. I never drive it with traction.
Right, okay.
I find it's quick enough how it is.
Okay, fair enough.
In the wet, it's lethal.
Yeah, I can imagine. Okay guys, so I'm going to draw the video to an end there. I've got to say maximum respect to Ricky for bringing third car to the channel, guys. And if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button or at least hit the like button. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So until next time, you know the score. Travel safe, guys, and peace out.
Yeah, hey yo, I'm feeling blessed. Now sit back and observe days I used to ride bikes. Pegs in the curves, swerve through traffic. Headphones on with Stillmatic. I'm lyrically inclined, push balls like I'm lifting weights.